Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajamanikam Antoniyamuthu from Quality Point Technologies. I have decided to start my second batch of live AA course on August 7th. It will be for 4 weeks and there will be 4 sessions per week. So totally it will be 16 sessions, live sessions. The sessions will be on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. The timing will be 7:30 p.m. IST, that is 10 a.m. Eastern Time. As a bonus, you'll be getting free access to my recorded AA course, which has 8 hours of tutorial videos, 9 AA related ebooks, many infographics, and a lot of code samples. This live training will be useful for both entrepreneurs as well as AA developers. Okay, whether you are a business owner or marketer, digital marketer or solopreneur, for you also this course will be useful, and similarly at the same time it will be useful for AI developers also. Actually, I purposefully designed this course in this way. You might be seeing courses that are targeting business people, some courses targeting AI developers, but I feel there is a gap between developers and entrepreneurs. There is a need to fill that, and I believe this course will address this. Actually, developers should be knowing about the business and how AI is impacting the business, other things, and similarly entrepreneurs should be knowing at least some basics about developments. Okay, so that is why I created this course in this way. It will be useful for both people. I will be giving details about all the details about basic details about AI. So my philosophy is you should know something about everything and everything about something. This particular course is about knowing something about all the topics related to AI. Suppose if you want to learn something specific about RAG or something, or maybe we can do it separately, but this course is explaining about all the basic things about AI in an easy to understand simple way. Okay, if you are a beginner, it will be really useful, whether you are a business person or AI developer. Okay, what you will learn? So obviously basics of AI, like what is AI, how it is different from traditional programming, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, how that deep learning is differing from traditional machine learning, that kind of very basic information with some code samples or some playground, that kind of things, teachable machine, that kind of things. I would like to explain them in an interesting way about the basics of AI. That is what the purpose of this course. Okay, as I said, if you need very deep details, maybe we can have one-on-one coaching that is separate from this live coaching. Okay, this live online coaching is to explain the basics of AI, especially almost all the topics like what is NLP and computer vision, and explaining them with a simple example code using Python code basically. So prerequisite is no need to have any kind of development knowledge, but if you know Python, it will be easy to understand the things. But I'm not going to focus on coding other things. I will be focusing more on the concept, but with the Python code. Okay, especially I will be giving some importance to RAG, because personally I believe that RAG will be very important from career perspective as well as from business perspective. Because LLMs are useful in some personal usage, but surely it cannot be directly used for business purposes because of a lot of issues like hallucination, lack of private information, and knowledge cutoff date, that kind of issues. So we have to manage that with the help of RAG, okay, retrieval augmented generation. So I believe that will be very important. So I'll be giving importance to that. But if you need very deep understanding of RAG, like actual development, different RAG techniques and other things, maybe we can have one-on-one coaching separately based on hourly charges. Okay, but this live AI course, as I said, it will be like for explaining all the basic concepts in a beginner friendly way. Okay, that is the purpose. And apart from all these things, I will be giving importance to the latest things like agentic AI, LangGraph, MCP. So I'll be explaining those things with the sample Python code. Okay, especially with the help of LangChain libraries. Okay, so I would like to explain about what is MCP, how to create MCP servers, how to use the existing MCP servers. Okay, that kind of stuff. Okay, So at the end of the course, you will get an online shareable certificate so that you can include it in your LinkedIn profile, resume. So this is the feedback I got from the first batch. Okay. So for registering for this second batch, people in India can simply pay 3,000 rupees through UPI. Globally, people can register by paying just $80 through PayPal. Okay. Actually, this registration fee is just a discount offer. Okay, if you're, I will be providing the link in the description of the video. You can check that, and if that offer is still there, you can use it. Otherwise, the regular fees is in India it is 12,000 rupees. In other countries, it is like $150. Okay, but for getting a certain number of registrations, I will be running this discount offer. If you are seeing that, you can make use of that opportunity. Just by paying 3,000 rupees, you will be getting like worthy course. I would say that because I have gone through other similar courses, and most of them are charging more than $2,000. Okay, lakhs of rupees. Okay, so it's a good opportunity. I can do my best to explain the things in a easy to understand, simple way, in an effective way. Okay. So if you are interested to learn the AA basics, you can do the registration now to make use of this discount offer, and tell about this offer to your friends also. Okay, you can find the link in the description of the video to do the registration. The registration is manual process. After making payment, you have to contact me. Okay, it is, as I said, it is a limited time offer. Use it before it ends. Okay. So if you are not able to afford even that discounted fee, and but you are very much interested in learning AI from my course, in that case I can give some special discount. So for that you have to contact me, and I will be asking you to share the video link and that thing in on some social media. If you are doing it effectively, I can give a huge discount to you. Okay. My contact details are rajamanikam.ta@gmail.com, that email ID, or WhatsApp number, this WhatsApp number. But in case of WhatsApp number, use it only for the messaging purpose. Okay. Okay, thanks.